that woodpecker. This is how he tries to get a peanut from me. Let me know he's there. Where is he? He's so funny. Show yourself. I hear you. I want these guys to see how little you are to make such noise. Okay. It's so funny. Okay, come on down. There he is. That little guy there makes so much noise. That little woodpecker. And I'm not allowed to feed him no more. But that's the guy. I know. Sorry, big boy. Let's see. Let me get a little closer. Oh, there goes the ducks. Okay. Nothing for you. Bye.